To apply manual time entry to a job, go to Customers on the main dashboard. In the left-hand side menu, click on Sales Activities. A submenu will drop down. Here, click on Sales Order. In the dashboard, click the Jobs Outstanding widget. The relevant data will appear in the portal below. Click on the arrow icon, which will open the sales order in a new window. As you can see, there are no outstanding jobs at the moment. To add one, you will have to click on the Jobs icon and then click New Job. Click OK. A new job has been created. In the job details, you can add a description if necessary. To set the job as active, click the Set Active icon. Click OK. Now let's head to Time and Cost Overview. You will find it in the left-hand side menu. In the tab called This Job, click the Job Costings Method icon. Let's select Manual Job Entry Time, then click OK. Now, enter the amount of manual hours. Here you can differentiate between normal and overtime hours spent on the job. Below, in the section called Normal and Estimated Time, you will need to enter the estimated amount of hours for this job. After you do this, it will automatically update the total estimated time, which is the sum of all hours from this job and all related jobs. To sign the job off, go to the Sign Off tab in the left-hand side menu, click Set Ready to sign off, then click OK. Complete the job by clicking the Sign Off and Complete Jobs icon. In the dialog box, select Sign Off. If there are any additional notes you would like to add, you can enter them here before clicking OK. Now you can choose to send a notification email that the job is complete. Let's head back to the menu. Here, click on the icon next to the order number. This will open the sales order in a new window. Here you can see the status of the job is complete. Let's create a new delivery note by clicking on the icon New Delivery Note, then selecting Create. Now we can select to deliver all. This creates a delivery note from a preset template. You can choose to print it or to save it as a PDF file. Notice, you cannot undo the confirmation after you click OK. Now the status of the delivery confirmation has changed to Delivery Confirmed and the progress status to Invoice Required.